So hello guys, welcome to the accounting basics part 5, and in this video we are going to look into the concepts of trial balance. So if you are new to my channel, I'll just give a short intro of myself. So my name is Aman, and in my channel I simplify basic financial concepts, thus enabling you to have a better understanding of finance and accounting related concepts as well. So if you are someone who is interested in finance and wants to learn more about it, then I believe that this channel might be for you. Now without wasting any further time, let's just start the today's video. So in my previous videos we have discussed about the accounting process of how it moves from a source document to journal to ledger, and now we are finally moving on to the trial balance. So what is a trial balance? So trial balance is a financial report that summarizes the adjusted journal entries at a specific date, and the trial balance are usually prepared at the end of the every accounting year. Below we can see the format of a trial balance. Now let's look into some of the important features of the trial balance. Number one, it ensures that the total of the debit side is equal to that of the total of the credit side. And number two, it helps in recording the error in the transaction. Now how we will able to know that there has been an error in the transaction? So when the total of the debit side doesn't match with that of the total of the credit side, it states that there has been an error in recording the entries. And number three, it is a balancing method that helps in preparing the basis of the financial statements. So the trial balance gives us the accurate amount of the accounts, which makes it easier for us to record them in the financial statements, be it balance sheet, P&L or the cash flow statements. Let us look into some of the key terminologies and the rules associated with it. So in case of the drawings, expenses and asset account, so whenever these three accounts increases, they will always be debited. And in case of the liability, equity and revenues, when these three accounts increases, they will always be credited. Now these are the rules. Don't ask me the reason like why it has been debited and why these accounts have been credited. These are the rules and we just have to abide by them. Let's look into some of the examples of trial balance. Now just a note, I'm using the same examples that I've utilized in my previous videos, so you can check out. I put the link down below in the description. So remember what the trial balance states. Trial balance is the summary for all the adjusted ledger entries. So in the cash account we have the adjusted ledger entry of 2000, and this has been highlighted red. So in the cash account we have 2000, and in the bank account we have 3000 adjusted entries. Now same has been highlighted red, and Mr. B account is 5000. So these three are our adjusted ledger entries that we have to record in the trial balance. So after putting all the adjusted ledger entries, this is how our trial balance looks like. So we can see that the cash and bank account are on the debit side. So how do we know that some accounts will be debited and some accounts will be credited? So we know that our journal entries were received cash from Mr. B, which is rupees 5000, and we have deposited the same cash into bank, which is rupees 3000. So as we are receiving the 5000 rupees cash and we are depositing 3000 out of it, so we are left with 2000. So as the cash is an asset, and as the asset is increasing, it is going to be debited as per the rules that I mentioned earlier. And in case of the bank, we are depositing the money into bank, which is rupees 3000. So bank is also an asset. So as the asset is increasing, it is going to be debit on the debit side. So that is why the amount 3000 is also on the debit side. But in case of Mr. B, so Mr. B previously owed us the amount which is rupees 5000. So after receiving the 5000 rupees from Mr. B, the accounts receivable is an asset. So 5000 were account receivable from Mr. B. So as it is an asset, the 5000 account receivable account is decreasing. So as the asset is decreasing, according to the rules, it has to be on the credit side, because if it increases, it is going to be debited, and as it decreases, it is going to be credited. So that is why the 5000 amount is on the credit side, and we can see that the total of the trial balance, which is 5000, is equal on both the sides. So it states that it is free of error. So that's all with the today's video, guys, and if you want more such finance related content, then I've put the link down below in the description. You can check out the previous videos. Till then, see ya, stay tuned.